Hello students, this is video lecture number 4, chapter number 1, business studies. So let us start. Objectives of business. In this topic we will study the objectives of business. Why business or why we are doing business. See, some objectives we just keep in mind while pursuing any of the businesses, like economic objective and social objective. Next one is social objectives. So let's come to economic objective. Economic objective, as we know, the economic activities are just related to the earning of profit or making the profit. So some economic objectives are there in business. First, profit making. Profit making means it is the first priority just to make the profit, just to earn profit. This is the economic objective. Any of the businessman, any of the business house just keeps the profit in mind, starts the business. Means profit is very essential part of business. First objective is just to make profit. Second thing is creation of customers. Creation of customers means every business house just tries to enhance the market size, the number of customers. Day by day he just wants to creates the customers. That is the creation of customers. Next, innovation. Innovation is that is something which is new for the market, new for the customers. As we know, the customers are very versatile, very uh, volatile. They demand for different things, and every individual is quite different from each other. So keeping these market or the customers in mind, we just build or just manufacture the customers demand product or services. What good or service we just manufacture or design, that should be uh, fulfilled for the customers. That is for customers. So innovation must be there in business. So these are the economic objectives. Now social objectives. Apart from the economic objectives, some social objectives are there what every businessman keeps in mind. These are the social objectives. Social objectives means not for the profit making only, just to give the satisfaction to the customers, just to give or return to the society. First one is high quality goods. High quality goods at fair prices. Fair prices means the goods quality should be very high, and the price what we are going to fix as a businessman, the price should be very fair so that customers can afford. Next one is contribution to community. Contribution to community development. Community development means in the society different kind of communities are there. So community development should be very essential part of the business. As we give a very high quality of education, the educational fraternity should be very benefited in the market, and medical facilities, education facilities, or any of the industry just gives the community development. So that is the social objective what we do in the business, not for the profit making only. It is for the society. It is just to return the society. Next one is fair returns to the investors. Investors are very essential part of any business, because investors just invest the money, invest their funds in the business companies. So we are just as a businessman, we are just very much bothered about giving a very fair returns to the investors. So giving very high returns or fair returns to the investors, this is a very essential social objective of business. Last, providing employment. As we know, the employment is being generated by the business. So it is very essential part, it is the social objective of the business to create the employment, to provide the employment in the society. Now, why profit is important for the business? Because these are the roles of profit in business. As we know, because of the profits, we just survive for longer. So first role of profit in business is for long survival. We should know, it's very clear that because of the profit we can survive for longer in the market as a businessman. And next one is for rapid growth, because the growth depends upon the profit. If we just try to create profit, try to enhance the profit day by day, it will lead to the grown up company, because growth is totally dependent on the profit. Next, for increasing efficiency is, this is something about, the just to accomplish any task within the time, and just to uh, give a very high return, high output, and just within very minimum inputs. So giving a very high returns, high output within a very minimum input, that is the efficiency. And profit profit becomes a very motivational factor for the efficiency. Because of the profit, business house will enhanced, will become efficient on that. Next, for building prestige and recognition. Every businessman or every business house or every company just gets the prestige or recognition in the market because of the wealth. Wealth depends upon the profit. So we can say, the for building prestige and recognition, the profit is very essential. And last one is for forming more profit. Profit will lead to the more and more profit. So we can say profit is again essential for the big profit. As we want to increase the volume of the business, so we need to create the profit, we need to generate the profit. This is known as initial profit. So profit is for profit means just to uh, enhance the business volume. So these are the roles of business. Thank you, students.